This is just mind-blowing. Recent major disclosures from the Shiba Inu development team have the potential to catapult the breed to $1. The movements of the whales are planned out. There must be a billion Shiba Inus floating around somewhere. Is the Shiba Inu finally starting to make a comeback? We are all quite excited about this. Why is that? Listen, let me explain. Your daily dose of Shiba wealthy coins is here. If Shiba is something that piques your interest, you have come to the right place. Subscribe if you want to know what's happening in the cryptocurrency market and get the most up-to-date news predictions. Hit that like button if you want to see more Shiba news stories. Because of the confusion that Trump's tariffs produced, the market is still in the midst of its recovery period. But this is the thrilling part. The Shiba Inu is on the mend, and there's good reason to believe it will stay that way. A major spill has recently happened. We have all been talking about the ideal price for Shiba Inus, and this new development might bring them closer to it. The fact that their earlier forecasts are coming true is even more astounding. What is the significance of the topic? Lucy, Chief Marketing Officer at Shiba Inus, tweeted about the problem. Much debate ensued as she proposed a possible price change for Shiba Inus. A lot of people took notice to Lucy after she said anything. Cryptocurrency of the Shiba Inu breed is still very strong. The reverse might happen quickly. Analyze how much it is worth now. Some people are completely unaware of what's going on, while those who pay close attention know exactly what's going to happen. Things become interesting at this point. Shiba Inu has maintained its position despite the market turmoil caused by macroeconomic uncertainty. There is substantial potential that many may be ignoring. And prices have been settling around key levels according to Lucy's tweets. This market might not be ready to deal with a sudden turn of events like a reversal. Who is making use of this predicament? Whales and dolphins. Digital currency whales, who are major market participants, appear to be getting insights that the rest of us might miss. These large-scale investors have been quietly making money off of the present recession. As of late, on-chain data shows that whales have been buying more Shiba Inu than they have been selling. Wallet transactions are monitored by the into-the-block big holder Netflow, who also happens to own a significant amount of the Shiba Inu availability. At the moment, it gives us a snapshot of the biggest investors' actions as they happen in real time. More than 874 billion Shiba Inu coins were obtained by these digital wallets between April 2nd and April 6th. Surely that is a sizable sum. Why can't we seem to decipher the information that these whales have? Is a major event on the horizon for them? Are we only now starting to see a change that is taking place? This is where it all boils down to. There may be a connection between this and the major hack by the Shiba Inu group. Just now, the Shiba Inu group revealed some major clues on what's to come. In the midst of the current financial downturn, they have been urging everyone to keep their cool and introducing fresh opportunities and ideas. The Shiba Inu ecosystem team views the present market slump as temporary, and Lucy, the company's chief marketing, has been encouraging the Shiba army to look forward rather than backward. Lucy recently posted on X to reassure everyone that the team is dedicated to innovation and growth. The Shiba Inu team is working hard to bring new innovations to the ecosystem, even though the market is generally negative. According to her, a groundbreaking technological advancement that goes beyond hype is about to emerge within the Shiba Inu habitat. This relates to actual practicality. While she refrained from giving out specifics, her message was quite obvious. More details will be provided later on, but it's coming soon. Lucy kept going on. There are major changes afoot, she said, and they will take some time to come to fruition. The momentum, nevertheless, is undeniably building. Lucy made sure the Geneva army ignored the trolls, because real fans know what happens next. The issue has just gotten more ridiculous. Rumors circulated online a year ago speculating that Shiba Inu might soon reach a cent in value. Lucy provided an illogical justification for this. According to her earlier statement, it is entirely possible to achieve the desired cost for Shiba Inu, which would lead to a substantial surge, but it would take some time. Perseverance, persistence and time are going to be required. That has been her stance from the beginning. If we extrapolate that line of thinking to her recent disclosures, does it mean that Shiba Inu is going to reach its desired pricing point soon? Is all that Lucy has hinted at here finally confirmed by this? First, we need to make the connections. A major project is being launched by the group. Notable individuals are buying up Shiba Inu in large numbers, and Lucy is hyping up a big new development that's coming soon. Have we notified the whales? Are they in possession of any developer secret information? That is how it appears, isn't it? They seem to have insight into what's to come, since they've been accumulating more Shiba Inu and multiple leaks point to a major development. We might be about to see a monumental event if these factors are related, and if this development truly embodies the revolutionary leap we expect. This could be the turning point in the story of Shiba Inu owners. It is possible to eliminate all losses, which will enable this environment to flourish in ways we could never have imagined. This might change the world if it all comes together. It might potentially change our lives for certain people. Nobody can deny that this revelation has sparked quite a commotion in the neighborhood. Everyone is really looking forward to it, and the anticipation is growing. Many investors who had stepped away from the Shiba Inu market are quickly getting back into it. You can feel the excitement, and the numbers back it up. According to IntoTheBlock data, the Shiba Inu is seeing a meteoric climb, with net flows from major holders increasing by about 785%. Wow, that's a huge leap. This metric tracks the movement of coins among large holding wallets, in particular the whales and the big investors. Such a growth suggests that these well-known organizations are either increasing their Shiba Inu population, or are taking major steps to get ready for a major expansion. Also, that is not where it ends. The amount of money entering whale addresses is reflected by the significant rise in inflows from huge holders. The increase is greater than 315%. A major shift has occurred. Important people are starting to take notice of what's happening with Shiba Inus. There has been a dramatic increase in activity and attention as of late, which may indicate that momentum is picking up speed. Shiba Inu is gaining more and more fans as whales make a triumphant return to the market. If this tendency keeps up, the market's view of Shiba Inus might undergo a dramatic shift, unlike anything that has happened before. May this be the turning point that Shiba Inu has been anticipating, given the convergence of leaks, inventions, and substantial whale activity. The stars appear to be converging for a major breakthrough, but you might be thinking that the Shiba Inu price is still low. In this very second, what am I to do? That makes perfect sense to me. It is difficult to remain confident when the numbers don't match up with what you were expecting, and making you wonder if this is the right time to move forward. The following, nonetheless, is the most important feature. Lucy has once again said the one sentence that describes it all. Her passion for cooking and working is evident, but she has a serious problem paying attention to charts and can't open her portfolio. How does that assertion stand? The message it delivers is profound. Lucy seems to be fixated on the big picture. She is staying detached from the day-to-day price swings. Neither graphs nor the value of her investments are occupying her thoughts. Everything going on behind the scenes has her undivided attention. A strong declaration from a prominent member of the Shiba Inu community, like Lucy, portends major changes in the near future. The market has been experiencing considerable disruptions due to this leak, which is not your average update. It will pose a threat to the current state of the market. This might catapult Shiba Inus to heights never before imagined. Where does Lucy's excitement stand? So it's a clue. Believe me when I say this is important. If she shows such excitement and confidence about what's to come,